Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power and exposing the shell. This prevents shorts and makes access safe. Use a T8 for the hidden screw, then T6/Phillips is needed. Keep a parts tray so you don't mix screws. Once the shell is loose, gently pry seams with a spudger. This protects clips and the plastic. Make photos as you go so reassembly is exact. These steps set you up to inspect the mic port without causing further damage. You'll now examine the mic port area closely to find the fault. Solder cracks show as dull or broken joints, and debris can block contact. Clean with 90% isopropyl and a small brush. This restores conductivity. If the jack is lifted, reflow with a fine-tip soldering iron. If the housing is cracked, swap the jack assembly. Take care to avoid overheating nearby components, and once done, verify the flex cable is seated and not creased. You reassemble by reversing the photos. Seat flex cables, align the shell, and tighten screws to original positions so pressure is even. Power on and immediately test with a headset and the Xbox voice test or party chat to confirm mic detection and audio clarity. If you still have issues, swap to a known good headset to isolate the controller versus accessory. One troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, wiggle the plug. If sound cuts, the jack likely needs replacement rather than cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.